Hello, welcome to my channel. This is new Cesar. I am an artist, a singer, songwriter, a performer, a therapist, and I'm so happy and grateful that God gave me so many beautiful things to share with you, and here I am. But before I begin, I would like to ask you to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. And also please don't forget to share my videos. And without further ado, let's begin. I start my warm-up. I am warming up, marching in place. I'm reaching up, I'm reaching up, I reach, I step to the right and to the left. I'm doing big circles, big arm circles. It's a good warm-up. I do my shoulder rotation. I step to the right and to the left. I'm all set. I'm all set to start. I hold onto the handrails. I put one foot up on the pedals at a time and I start my walking motion. I keep holding onto the handrails and I step off one foot at a time because I'm very careful. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video and you are welcome to come here and enjoy these machines, but I know it's hard. It's very hard to come here. It's not so easy, but anyway, you are welcome. Thank you so much for letting me show you these videos. It is so good to be here to make these videos for you. I hope you like it, and God bless you all. I'll see you next time soon. Love and peace.